Hey guys, back with another unboxing. Pretty excited about this one. It is spring, or so-called spring in New York, because it's been pretty rainy and pretty cold, but I want to get outside with this VINGUYS Bamboo Smart Bird Feeder. It's got a 2.5 full HD camera, 130-degree wide view. It is got a solar panel, so once you charge it the first time and you leave it in the right spot in the sun, you never have to charge it again. Got a removable camera, and you can get real footage of the birds that come and feed. You've got SD card, micro SD card slot that you can record on board, or there's a cloud account that you can use via 2.4 gigahertz wireless. So opening the box real quick, it's got the user manual, and you know we never read those, so there goes that. Nicely packaged. I'm gonna let the box drop since we don't really care about that. Your last look at it. Here we go. Let's get this beauty out. This looks like it's got a sort of hinge on it, so it must be a mounting bracket. There is your solar panel. Nicely packed, like I said. Nothing in here, just packing. I'm going to put the panel, oops, dropped it, put the panel on the side. I'm going to put the bracket on the side for a moment. So let's take a look at the actual device. What do we have in here? We have, these are the two rings. If you're going to mount this to a pole, you have the option of mounting it to a pole. So this will go in, the pole will go in here and you tighten it. Or you have the option to mount it to a wall. I put a post in the ground, a 4x4 post, and that's where I will be mounting it. Throwing that out. There's the front of your device. There is your camera. There is your, and then of course, as I told you, the camera does come out. It has a connection to the back for your solar panel. It's got the, let's see what's under here. It should be, this is a USB for charging, the USB-C, and it's got the on-off button in the back here. This is the rubber gasket to make sure that, of course, no water gets in. It's got a speaker back here, the lens in front. We might as well do the honors now. Let me put those brackets aside and peel off the tape that usually covers the lens. 130-degree wide view. And I'm thinking, without reading the manual, that this is the lens and this is the sensor. So it senses when the bird's in front of it and it records. In the back here, you've got, this would be, so the last black piece you saw was actually the roof where the feed goes in. This is the mounting bracket. As you can see how mounting holes go, you put two screws in and you put in the screw, you slide it down, and I'll show you in a minute. These brackets, just real quick, belong to the solar panel. That's the antenna. That's the mounting bracket for the solar panel. This is the strap for the pipe, if you're going to use a pipe, and the screws if you're going to screw into the post like I am. It's also got, if you're going to screw it into like a softer material, okay, you're able to do so. It comes with a mini screwdriver and the screws. This is likely a handle of some sort. We'll figure that out. Let's take off the bottom because I'm pretty sure, let me take out the camera so it doesn't fall. There it is. You look at the bottom, there's a screw hole, and likely this is where the bracket goes. So this is where it mounts, and you've got a convenient screw here that you can screw it in, and then you would, the other end of it, let me see if I can screw it in real quick to show you. Yes, I can. Give me a second. I guess it's not that easy. It should be, but it's not. Okay, so it's actually got a quick release. So here's what I think happens. And actually, you screw in here, one of the screws in the bag, and then this here has a spring, and it goes into either one of these holes. So you can have the bird feeder have it in any direction you want, just by shifting to one hole the other and locking it in. I am going to use it on the post like I said, Here is where the, as you can see, the camera goes in. There's the screw for the solar panel, comes out the back. And the piece that we initially picked up that fell, this would obviously be, dare I say, the roof. It won't be the, yep, there you go. They did send the screws for this. So once you screw it on the back, this will lift for you to put the bird seed in. So the VINGUYS bird feeder, we've been wanting one for a while to add to our backyard. I'm going to charge it up, I'm going to mount it, and then we'll get some footage from it, and hopefully we'll get enough birds that you'll enjoy seeing it. When I'm done, I'll write the entire review. You can see it on the-gadgeteer.com using the link in the description of this video. I'll see you guys soon.